It's time to go forth with Renforth Resources. We have Nicole Brewster here, President and CEO. Nicole, congratulations, a capital raise and movement on your many projects. Let's start with the capital raise, please. What can you tell us about this 1 million Canadian dollars just earned?
Yep, happy to. Effectively, we've acquired a strategic shareholder who wrote a check. No fees payable because it comes after long discussions I've had with that individual. And they've signed a voting support agreement, agreeing to vote with management for a period of 3 years. So their supportive shareholder considers our assets undervalued, perceives an opportunity in that, and is prepared to, take a position for the long term.
And with this cash, I understand you're looking to get deeper into the Parbec gold deposit, located there in the Cadillac Break area of Quebec, Canada. What can you tell us about the high level plans? I know that there's a lot of detail here. You've got 60,000 meters of drilling planned over a 2-year period, but right now you're at the stage of applying for permits. Is that correct?
Yeah, so we're applying for the work permit we need. We're engaged in consultation with the communities, and then that'll go to the government for them to do their process. So all things being equal, I would expect that permit will arrive sometime in May, at which point we can then start to plan to execute the program. We'd be looking to probably be drilling June, July for Parbec. We're currently still awaiting any time now our Victoria permit, so we'll probably be out drilling at Victoria before Parbec. But at Parbec, before we drill, we're actually going to go back and finish our stripping that we've been talking about. It was mentioned in the press release. We've completed the chipping at Parbec, and we will be resuming the stripping. There's a lot of snow on the ground. It has to melt. That stripping's in the area of the open pit footprint. It's also an area we'll drill from. So we're going to move sequentially through things. But yes, you'll see an initial drill campaign early summer at Parbec.
Can you tell us more about the goals of this drilling program? I know there are multiple, including a bulk sampling effort.
Yeah, so it's an exciting drill program. In the last press release we put out about Parbec, we gave you some of our ongoing geological interpretation. So one of the targets of the drill program will be to test that geological interpretation, specifically opportunities we see to add ounces within the current model. We're also going to be definition drilling, or drilling with tighter spacing in the area we're targeting for the bulk sample. And then the last kind of overriding target with regards to the drilling is, of course, to increase the resource at Parbec and move ounces through categories. So move our inferred to indicated, our indicated to measured, and possibly our measured to actual reserve. So that presumes success drilling, but we see lots of opportunity to do that. So we're pretty optimistic.
And moving forward, what other milestones do we have to look forward to, considering that, as you mentioned, you're awaiting a permit for the Victoria polymetallic deposit? That's part of your very large-scale Malartic Metals Package, also in Quebec.
No, I mean, milestones, I suppose the easy answer is just to give you an idea of what we're looking at in the field. So the first thing you'll probably see in the field would be the stripping at Parbec to resume. Then you'll see drilling at Victoria. You'll also see we've increased the footprint of Victoria again to encompass a bunch of pegmatite targets, granites. So we'll be out in the field prospecting for that. And then with Parbec, the drilling will commence. And the other thing that's going on in the background that we've spoken about previously is with the bulk sample, we'll be looking to dewater the decline at Parbec. And that'll probably involve a little bit of site work as well. As will the stripping. We're going to be stockpiling the overburden for use for remediation in the future. So it's a neat process because the site's starting to mature a little bit. So that'll probably start to play out over the course of the summer. Various environmental baseline testing, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, lots will be happening. we'll be in the field creating news.
And we'll be here reporting on the news, all the best of the rest of the permitting process. And it'll be very juicy to see all of these meters at all of these various depths happening at Parbec.
It'll be exciting.